In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add conversion balances in Xero 5 minutes. If you're moving your bookkeeping into Xero partway through the year, conversion balances are the opening figures that bring over your accounts as at a specific date. Think of them as your starting position in Xero taken from your trial balance. Having that trial balance handy will make this quick and accurate. First, head to the Xero website and open the login page. Click Login, enter your email and password, and click Login again to proceed. Once you're in, you'll land on the Xero dashboard. From here, we'll navigate to where opening balances live. Go to the top menu, choose Accounting, and then select Advanced. In the Advanced area, look for Conversion Balances and open it. This is the dedicated screen where you'll set your date and enter each account's opening figure. Start by selecting your conversion date. This is usually the day before you want to begin recording day-to-day activity in Xero. For example, if you plan to start using Xero on January 1st, your conversion date would typically be December 31 of the prior year. Matching this to the date on your trial balance is essential for accurate reporting. Next, it's time to enter balances. You'll see columns for debits and credits for each account. Use the values from your trial balance as at the conversion date and enter them line by line. Remember the accounting equation. Assets are debits, liabilities and equity are credits. If you're unsure which side a balance belongs to, use the sign shown on your trial balance or refer to your chart of accounts to avoid flipping a value. If you don't see all the accounts you need, click Show All Accounts to expand the list. This is helpful if you track many balance sheet accounts, like multiple bank, loan, or tax accounts, and need to ensure every starting balance is captured. As you work, keep an eye on the totals at the bottom. Your debits and credits should balance to zero when everything is entered correctly. If they don't, recheck for missing accounts or reverse signs, especially on accumulated depreciation, retained earnings, or tax liabilities. When you're confident everything matches your source trial balance and the totals are in balance, click Save. That locks in your opening position so your reports and reconciliations flow correctly from day one in Xero. And that's it. You've set your conversion date and entered conversion balances, ready to start using Xero with accurate opening figures.